Stainless steel Ergo Steel maintenance. To replace the alignment rods on the stainless steel Ergo Steel models, first loosen the two alignment rods retaining screws at the bottom of the hubs. Then simply slide the alignment rods out of the hub. To change the springs in the stainless steel Ergo Steel models, loosen the hub retaining bolt. Now you can remove the hub and spring. When replacing the tension springs on the stainless steel Ergo models, the left and right springs are the same, but must be assembled in the correct orientation to produce proper tension on the alignment rods. The tension springs will face in the opposite direction for the left and right hand hubs. Install the spring onto the hub, then place the hub and spring assembly onto the base. Tighten the hub retaining bolt. Do not over-tighten the hub and spring assembly. Install the alignment rod fully into the hub and tighten the alignment rod retaining screws. Make sure the alignment rod springs back.